Hey, what's going on, guys? Dave here, and welcome to QC Dads. On this channel, we discuss some of the latest technology going on in the world. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the iPhone 12 mini, and this is one of my favorite devices that was launched this year, but unfortunately, I went with the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So there's been a lot of reports that the iPhone 12 mini is not selling really well. Apparently carriers are not really pushing out a lot of these devices in comparison to its bigger brother, the iPhone 12 and the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And I think the main reason is because over time we've become used to larger phones. I think for a lot of us, the iPhone 12 mini appealed to us because it was somewhat nostalgic. It kind of reminded us the iPhone 4 and the iPhone 5 in terms of design with that flat edge. Now, there are a lot of people out there, I think, that want smaller devices, but they're not willing to spend the type of money that they're asking for the iPhone 12 mini, which is $700. I think the iPhone SE may appeal a lot more to people because of the price point. Unfortunately, with all the specs that this device has in comparison to what was available back then, it is a bit of a battery killer. I think one of the things that Apple needs to do is to release a battery pack similar to those battery cases that they launched. Maybe do something with MagSafe in terms of the battery pack so you don't run out of juice during the course of the day with your iPhone 12 mini. I had a chance to actually use the iPhone 12 mini at Best Buy, and it's a pretty cute device, but I don't think it's something that I can use on a day-to-day basis simply because I'm so used to the larger phones. And I think my main thing is not the size of the screen, but just the keyboard is somewhat cramped and just doesn't work for me. I will say I think over time, if I continue to use the device, I would kind of get used to it. I think back to the iPhone 5S and the iPhone 4. I was able to type on those phones, so why wouldn't I be able to adjust and type on the iPhone 12 mini? But when you have a large phone like an iPhone 12 Pro Max, who wants to go back when you have all that real estate for your keyboard? Otherwise, I think this is a very great device. It compares very well to its bigger brothers in terms of all the feature sets that it offers. What do you guys think? Will we see an iPhone 12s mini next year? Leave the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Later. Bye-bye.